Okay, this is my friend's truck that I'm wiring. It has, well, had 0 wires whatsoever. No alternator wire, no starter wire, no turn signal wires, no headlight wires, nothing. He's going bare bones, and he's helping me a little bit by pulling some of the wires for me, and once I tell him what needs to be done. And yeah, I'm hoping to have 90% of the wiring done this weekend. I've already got the taillights wired, blinkers, or rear blinkers, and brake lights. I have to put in the brake light switch yet. And yeah, you can see my wiring mess here. Fuse boxes. I have the relay board, I guess. I don't know. Oh, it's right there. Relay board, connection board that we're putting up under the dash. And I'm up here to work on this today. And we got the pup. Cute dog. She's a lot of fun. Alright, here's the wiring I've been doing for the last couple weeks. Still got looks like a rat nest over there, but it's not. It just has to be tidied up. I don't want to start zip tying everything together until I'm done. I have a test battery here just for testing things. And yeah, I've got an extra relay and extra fuses because we do have other things that will be going in, and plans have changed along the way, tying stuff in with this and stuff in with that, and yeah, it's a work in progress, but the wiring is 90% done. We've been trying to start the truck today, and hopefully we'll get her started.
Back here. In 4 days, it'll be 9 months exactly since I drove that S10 home.
Gonna do a test start.
So that was the day we procreated.
Are you recording it?
I'm gonna.
It's gonna be loud.
It ain't gonna be allowed. Yeah, we gotta get oil up there.
Huh? Do what? We have nothing.
Why do you have nothing?
Still no fuel?
Hmm?
Still no fuel. Did you put the rod back in it?
Down in it?
Inside? It goes up in there.
Oh, yeah.
That fuel pressure gauge ain't coming up at all.
It ain't getting down to the filter down there.
Oh, even to the filter, yeah. Okay, I didn't see the filter there.
Well, next thing I can do.
Is that a new line run all the way to the tank?
Yeah, that's new.
Well,
No
the
kinks.
metal line's not.
Oh.
Metal line's not.
I don't think it'd be stopped up somewhere. Just still should fire it.
That's what I was gonna say. I could undo that line right there, run a rubber line off down into that gas tank.
See if you get it flow.
I got oil pressure.
You got gas in this thing?
Yeah, is there any in the
It
fuel?
ain't pumping though.
Huh? Nothing
You're
in-
probably gonna have to prime it, huh?
You got a cup?
So what'd your oil pressure go up to?
It went up to about halfway.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So whatever. Yeah, it started pumping it up.
Dang, what are we doing? I did it.
Woo! She sounds good. Still no gas. And the fuel pump's new, right? Maybe the fuel pump needs to be primed. I don't know. Do you got to prime a mechanical fuel pump?
Sure, have to.
I wouldn't think so. With it just like a diaphragm, right?
What I'm hoping is I got the inline on the in and outline on the out.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Okay. We'll be back in a minute.
Get back.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Oh, shit.
Huh?
Go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo-hoo!
Let's do it again.
Hit.
Got me shaking holding the camera.
We still ain't getting no fuel.
Well, we got 5 gallon in it.
Hit. Still ain't got no fucking fuel. No fuel. Yeah.
Fired better the first time.
Here was that.
Testing again.
Hey, can you send that to me once you record it?
Yeah. Whoa.
We're shooting a little up out the front.
Why is that?
That pump's like 90 psi.
It's coming out of here.
Oh.
That's for a fuel injected motor. This you only need like 7 or 8 psi.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
We had the fountain.
We flooding our fuel line.
Yeah. What do you think? Crank it?
I could try to suck some of that shit out.
She's flooded. Yeah, she's flooded.
Oh, it didn't cut off this time.
What do you mean it didn't cut off?
Gonna do one of your wires.
Hopefully that's not the ground. I mean, not the hot.
It's still got tape on it, man.
Oh, it does. Okay.
What in the hell is one?
I have no idea.
It's sucking up here in this fucking hole. This is where it's coming from.
Oh, the manual.
How is it sucking?
The manual fill pump.
Yeah, but
Unhooked.
it's on the wrong side.
I don't know.
It's unhooked altogether, so I can fucking tell you.
So maybe it's just down there.
The hose there.
Maybe it's just down there blowing air.
Alright, the one coming out that you had running to this is definitely sucking.
It is.
Yeah.
Right there. He's running. I'm glad I suggested trying to start it again.
Woo! Where's it at?
I'm gonna do it again.
Sit that way, ready?
Alright, she's rolling here. It's fucking green here. We got that going.
Alright.
The bowls are dry. Run them out.
Money to pump a little in it.
Get your phone.
I was gonna try to take her
It's
down.
sensitive on that time. For sure.
So what's that screw do?
It sets the backflow. I had it set real low, so in case it started flooding out, it won't be bad when it first.
Just can't put up.
That's why, like yesterday, when he tried to hit it, wasn't really getting no gas on the second half, just there. So
So what do you think the knocking noise was?
I think it's a lifter.
Well, we got some not so good news on the old truck. The engine's sitting over here. She's got a knock in it, and we're pulling it apart. So it is what it is. Better it happen now than once the truck's on the road. He didn't go through this engine when he got it and wasn't planning on it, so now we're gonna go through it all.